The fourth generation of Kia's midsize Sorento SUV still seems pretty fresh, but it's already time for a mid-cycle update. This refresh brings revised styling for the front and rear ends, along with an interior upgrade that brings new screens. Kia told C/D that the 2024 Sorento would be a carryover model, so we expect to see this new Sorento to arrive in the US for the 2025 model year. Up front, the 2025 Sorento features a completely different grille shape and interesting new headlights. The LED accent strips are reminiscent of the new Kia EV9's lighting signature. In the rear, the taillights are slightly revised and add a new design element that connects the two light bars on each side. We can also spot new wheel designs and what looks like a new beige color, at least for the Korea market model that's been shown so far. Inside, the biggest change is a new set of screens for the digital gauge cluster and the central infotainment system. The center screen appears to be running Kia's newer infotainment software, and the digital gauge cluster looks larger than the unit that's currently available on the Sorento's higher trim levels. There's also a touch bar lower down on the dash that looks similar to the one in the Sportage and the EV6 that can switch between HVAC and navigation controls. We don't expect any major changes to the Sorento's powertrains, which include a 2.5-liter gasoline engine in both naturally aspirated and turbocharged forms, a 227 horsepower hybrid setup, and a 261 horsepower plug-in hybrid option with an EPA estimated 32 miles of electric range. The LX, EX, SX, and X-line trim levels should also stick around. We're not sure about timing for the 2025 Sorento yet, as it will likely go on sale in Korea first and reach the United States market later on. Kia has yet to release 2024 model year information yet, so it seems that the 2024 Sorento will have a short run before the updated 2025 model starts to arrive in showrooms. Stay tuned to Auto RBX for all the latest, and let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.